Hello everyone. In today's quick lesson, we're diving into the exciting phrase, go for it. Let's get started. The expression go for it is an encouraging phrase we use to motivate someone or give them the green light to pursue something they want. It's like saying, give it a try. You can do it. Imagine your friend is hesitant about applying for a new job. You can say, you should go for it. You're talented and capable. Go for it. This means you believe in them and you're cheering them on to take the new job. Using go for it shows support and enthusiasm for someone's goals and dreams. It's a positive phrase that can make a big difference in someone's confidence. If you found this video useful, please click the like button and subscribe for more useful phrases. Thanks so much for watching, and remember, go for it. See you next time.